So,
Yep.
ready?
All good.
All good? Ready? So, section 1, we're going to go side together, grapevine. Side together, grapevine. The count, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we forward lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's section 4. Let's do section 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section. We grapevine again and then we turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's a 2-wall front and then back wall. And then when you turn, you do straight away, grapevine, and then side to side, and then grapevine, and then we forward lock.
That's the one we do.
Okay. And then step back together, and then grapevine, and then turn, and then continue on with the grapevine, and then you start all over again. All right. Okay, cut.